BIBO and the Bike Cart. Today, BIBO is cycling up the hill into the town. His bicycle has a cart on the back. "Please, can I have a lift in your cart?" asks Mino the monkey. "Of course," says BIBO the bear, and off he goes with one passenger. "I'm in a hurry. Can I have a lift in your cart?" asks Polo the pig. "Yes, you can," says BIBO the bear, and off he goes with two passengers. "Please, can I have a lift too?" asks Sarah the sheep. "The more the merrier," says BIBO the bear, and off he goes with three passengers, all in a small wooden cart. He huffs and puffs as he pedals up the hill. The cart creaks and shudders. Oh dear, the cart has broken. Now, BIBO has no cart and no passengers. They roll all the way down the hill and land on the grass at the bottom. They all have a good laugh about it.